Hi friends, welcome to Soulcraft YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share you the tips for decorating a beautiful bedroom. A bedroom should be a personal gateway, a sanctuary which expresses your favorite colors, feelings and collections. The first tip I want to share you is to choose a proper color. Instead of bold primary colors, choose soothing shades and a restful palette of monochromatic tones. Remember color theory. Gentle hues of blue, lavender, or green are considered calm and serene. Rich jewel toned hues help set the mood of coziness and comfort. These might include toasty browns, deep pomegranate, or topaz. Use toned down versions of your favorite colors in the bedroom. Before going to the next step, here is a small shout out. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be provided with every videos by a notification whenever I post a new one on civil engineering, architecture and about your comfort zone. The next tip is don't overlook the ceiling. Yes, the ceiling is the fifth wall of your room. When you lie in the bed, do you see a bland black surface? Add a subtle pattern or soft color. Paint the ceiling a slightly lighter version of the wall color. This will help to visually lower the ceiling and give a space of feeling of comfort and intimacy. Other solutions would be to stencil or wallpaper the ceiling. Add architectural elements in the form of beams or moldings or use a decorative paint treatment. For ultimate luxury, silver leaf bedroom ceilings, a canopy or tinted bed with a dressing that hangs from the ceiling can envelop you in sensuality and warmth while adding texture, design and color of the ceiling. And the third tip is keep the bedroom simple. A bedroom should look cozy and simple, sophisticated and elegant, regardless of what style of decorating you choose. For ease of movement, leave a minimum of 3 feet between the bed and the side walls, or large pieces of furniture, and at least 2 feet between the bed and low furniture like tables and dressers. If you have to walk around the bed to get from the closet of the bathroom, think of how you can move the bed. Furnish your bedroom with only what you need. A bed, a bedside table or two, a dresser, and a chair are most important necessities. Anything else is clutter. Accessories should be kept to a minimum. Choose a beautiful piece of artwork, arrange some family photos, add flowers and candles, and leave it alone. And the next tip is choose the right size furniture for you. When you're ready to buy bedroom furniture, start out with a floor plan and a measured drawing of the space. Furniture should fit the room it lives, and this is particularly true for bedroom furniture. Don't choose a heavy, large bed and dresser for a small bedroom. If the ceiling is high, a tall headboard will help to visibly bring it down the size. If your bedroom is large, choose the furniture that fits it. Add a chair or place a piece of furniture at the end of the bed. Furnitures and accessories that are too small will look lost in a large bedroom. Next one is having a plenty of storage. To add to the feeling of a bedroom, store things out of sight. The room will appear more calm and roomy. Choose a roomy bedside table with drawers and doors behind which you can hide books, lotion, and reading glasses within reach out of sight. For more storage, choose a skirted table or a small dresser with drawers. Use a trunk or a storage bench at the foot of the bed to store extra sheets, blankets, and pillows. For easy reachable of books and accessories, use a headboard with built-in shelves or sliding panels. And the next tip is covering the windows. A beautifully dressed window will help to frame the window and the view and provide other ways to add color, pattern, texture and softness to the bedroom. If you love soft sheer curtains that filter light, combined opaque roller blinds that can be pulled down to maintain privacy at night and to block morning light. And the next tip I'm going to share you is including several lighting options. In a bedroom, it's good to layer your lightings throughout the room. Ambient lighting, light the whole room. Small lamps can focus light for reading and other activities. Next is the main tip that I'm going to share you. That is, let your bedroom be a real getaway. Try to discipline yourself to keep your accessories like cell phone, computer, television, exercise machines or other things out of the bedroom. Create a cherished place to relax and renew. You will love having a room dedicated to reading, sleeping and romance. So that's all for these tips guys. I hope you are clear out of it, and if you have any doubts, just ping me up on the comments. And do like and share this video if you find it useful.